Bored in your house? Can't afford a brand new PC rig? You're in tight low budget? Worry no more because I found what you're looking for. Welcome to Just Tech Tips Budget Gaming PC. To give you a solution for your tight budget, I represent the Intel i3 3rd Gen LGA 1155 socket. Oh wait a minute, I know what you're thinking. That's too old, dude. Are you sure? Maybe. But don't just underestimate this CPU just yet. It is still playable and very fast today. Intel i3 3rd Gen CPU is still playable now in year 2023 and for the coming days. It can play Dota 2, Minecraft, and GTA San Andreas and many more. To make the Intel i3 3rd Gen more faster, we will need the following: motherboard, an SSD, a DDR3 that has a 16 gig of 1600 MHz, and a PCU with 80 plus bronze rate like Corsair CD450 400 watts, and of course the Intel i3 3rd Gen 3220. For motherboard, I choose Asus P8H61MLX plus LGA 1155 socket. It is still available in many online stores like Lazada and Shopee and many local stores here in the Philippines and Southeast Asia. The price of this motherboard is very cheap, from 1,300 to 2,500 in Lazada and Shopee. The Intel i3 3rd Gen 3220 has a 3.8 GHz with 22 nanometer die. It is one of the fastest CPU in early 2013. To control the temperature of our old CPU, we will need a better CPU cooler. I choose the GW900 CPU cooler that can fit in many variety of sockets like 1366, 1156, 1155, 1150, and 775 socket. There is only 750 in Lazada and other online stores. Next is our DDR3, which is the HyperX Fury DDR3 RAM 8GB. Just buy 2 to make 16 gig, and it has 1600 MHz. It's only around 1030 or 15 and many online shops like Lazada and Shopee. For our storage, to make our Windows system faster, I choose the Samsung A70 EVO 500GB SSD 2.5 SATA type. It has a feature of 6 GB per second. It's only 3,699 in Lazada. Buy only in legit stores online. For a better PCU, Corsair CB450 450 watts with 80 plus rated ETS is a better choice. It's only 2,350 in Lazada and other online stores. Never cheap out your PCU. And of course, to hold our old components, we will need a PC case. For only around 1,000 to 2,000 pesos, you can have a decent PC case for a cheap price. And my choice is the InPlay ATX Tower PC case. Get us a tempered glass and with 3 free fans package. It's only 1,139. Our motherboard doesn't have a built-in Wi-Fi, so we will need a dongle, which is the TP-Link TLWN725 with 150 Mbps wireless nano USB adapter, Wi-Fi adapter for wireless connection. It's only 450 and Lazada and other online stores. And for our PC monitor, we will need a LG 23-inch. It can do support HDMI, DVI, and VGA. It's only 2,859 in Lazada and under online shopping. Please choose legit stores only, and watch out for scammers. And for your controls, it doesn't need to be special. It has to be just useful. You can just buy an Aportek for a cheap price. It's only 599 at Lazada. It's also available in local stores and many local area. It has with mouse and keyboard. It's a complete package. Go try it. It's not really that slow. It's really fast. The expenses were reduced and you can save money up to 1,000 to 1,500 pesos or $18.23 to $27.37 USD dollar. Isn't it that great? Here are the total cost breakdown of each component sources from Lazada, online shopping, and Shopee. Motherboard Asus P8H61 which costs 1,798. Intel i3 3rd Gen 3220 cost 825. CPU Color GW900 pitch cost only 750. The RAM with Hyper Fury 8GB cost only 2,060. That is 2 sets of RAM. And for fast system, I choose the Samsung. This is the SATA Evo. It's a SATA type. It's only 3,629. And for our PCU, I choose the Corsair CB450 ET Plus 400 watts. Please choose only legit products of Corsair. Do not cheap out your PCU. That is the life of your and the backbone of your system. It's only 2,350. And for our PC case to hold our components, I choose the InPlay because it has free fans. It's the 3 free fans. It's only 1,139. And for your Wi-Fi connection, I choose the TP-Link dongle USB for Wi-Fi. It's only 450 in local stores and many online stores. And for our monitor, I choose the LG 23 which can support many ports like HDMI, VGA, and DVI. It's only 259 pesos and online and local stores. And for our cheap keyboard, I choose the Aportek. It is guaranteed very useful. It's packaged. It's the keyboard with mouse. It's only 599. A total of only 16,529 pesos or 301.34 US dollars. Noted, price might be different in other stores and local stores and online stores. Beware of scammers. Games that Intel i3 3rd Gen can play: Battle Realms, Winter of the Wolf, Dota 2 in low-end setting, GTA Vice City, GTA San Andreas, StarCraft, Minecraft in medium frame rate, Red Alert 3 and medium frame rate, Empire 2, and many more. This Intel i3 might be old, but it can still play mini games, maybe hundreds of them. Now you can buy a PC in low budget. Play PC games with your friends. Sayonara watashi no Yojin no PC gamer. If you like this video, please click the like button and subscribe. Thanks for watching. Sorry for the subs, it's a cheap recording only. Getting bored in your house? Can't afford a brand new Tesseract? You're in tight, low budget? Worry no more, because I found what you're looking for. Welcome to Just Tech.